Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So in today's episode we will be continuing with the hubs and the ABS sensors. So I have a total of 6 sensors. I think one of them, unfortunately some of them are copies. But we have a few different ones, so hopefully one of them will be able to work so that we can find a cheap replacement for the Supra ones. So let's have a look at that and see what we can do with the wheel hubs to move forward. So here we have the measurements that I took off the stock sensor. So the diameter of the main body is 16.8 millimeters. The height above this surface is 14.7 millimeters. The diameter of the plastic piece is 15.5. The height from the metal piece to the end is 7.5. The thickness of the plastic here on top is 2.4, and the width from here to this flat surface is 12.6. So that will probably give me some dimensions to work on to improve or see which sensor that I can use. And I will hold off doing anything more with the front left spindle or hub until I know which sensor to use. And so I will use this as my reference, and the one that I smashed I will remove it completely, and then that one can function for trial things. I think the next step is to try and finish one of these, one of the rear hubs or spindle hubs. So to the sandblasting cabinet. So the front left hub is pretty much ready for paint. The ABS sensor is no more. I didn't have time to work on the left rear right hub like I thought, so I will do that next time. But this one is starting to look quite nice, and I will paint it, and then in case I damage the paint, I will when I try to fit different ABS sensors, I can just touch it up. Now I need to run off and get another package at the postal office. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.